Hello. This week we are starting Module 13, Workers' Rights, in Unit 4. Let's see what we have to do for today. Day 1, Monday, December 14th. First, you'll watch this video. Then you'll click Async. There are two activities today. The first activity is a Nearpod grammar / writing / speaking session on formal and informal language. So you know what to do. It's a Nearpod. All right, your second assignment is in the textbook, page 74, part 2A and 2B. You'll read an article. Here is the audio and answer the questions. Now, this is very important. So the first one says the article's main idea. You pick one of these and you say which lines from the article, which number lines from the article did you get that? The same thing for number 2. You circle the one you think is the main idea for paragraph number 2 and the lines that help you. Same for this one. Paragraph number 3, which is the main idea, circle and which lines helped you. And the same for 4. Okay? So a lot of people are just putting the letters and not really reading the directions. Okay? The direction says choose the main idea of the article and of paragraphs 2 through 4. Find the sentences that best support. So on this side, you put the number lines. Okay? So like if the answer is in line 2, you put line 2 to line 10. All right? And that's it for async. It is a Monday, so we have Zoom class together. So let's see what we have to do in sync. So we are going to work on textbook page 74 and do a practice on fact and opinion. All right. And that's it. Good luck.